How do you choose the right oil drain for your shop? With the extensive offering from JohnDow Industries, there's sure to be the perfect drain to suit your needs. When selecting the right oil drain for your shop, consider your customer base and what types of vehicles your shop sees the most of. If your shop performs maintenance on heavy-duty or fleet vehicles, a low-profile oil drain is a must. JohnDow low-profile drains are ideal for use in bus, truck, or RV repair facilities. Using a low-profile drain means there's no need to have a heavy-duty lift or to lift the vehicle at all. By simply sliding the drain under the vehicle's drain plug, you can free up base space and save time. The JohnDow low-profile drain comes in plastic and steel to ensure that there's a low-profile drain to suit any shop's needs. They also come with many options, including an electric transfer pump like on the JDI LP5, or with the JDI EK air evacuation kit, you can evacuate the used oil from the JDI LP4 oil drain. JohnDow low-profile drains have a number of features that make them the top choice for heavy-duty repair shops. For example, the JDI 17 PLP 17-gallon low-profile drain with optional electric pump kit JDI 17 PK has a 7 3/4 inch clearance, allowing it to fit under most trucks. It also has 4-inch industrial casters for ease of handling, and a 30-inch T-handle, which folds flat for easy storage. Additionally, an expanded metal shield reduces splash. For more information on JohnDow's complete selection of oil drains, visit johndow.com to find the one that's right for your shop.